we'll discuss about some view options in Power Query Editor. So let me change table. So we have view options here. Multiple view options are here. See, under the monospace, it will not, So if you want to change the type of this, see, if I click, see, change the font of this, all these values. Okay, so this is nothing but the monospace. Again, we have one more option in that. It's a column quality. Okay, so column quality means that how much data is valid, error, and empty. So 100% valid. So let me say 100% valid under the product. Let's also see. See 100%. That means you get here the more detailed information about that particular column. So if you see the valid for it's a green color, error, or red, and this blue empty, right? So if the error, that means something is null in your order, that will be show under this error. So this is what about all about the common quality, right? Column quality. So one more interesting option do we do have here, column distribution. Let's see, it will give you the more information about that particular column. So for example, here we can see the how many distinct value, 5 distinct value and 0 unique value, 5 distinct value. That means professional management and skill manual, these are the distinct values. It will give you the more detailed information about that particular column. Okay, again we do have this column profile. Let me click over here. So see, so you can see the entire view of that particular column. See, I'm just clicking on this customer key. If I go with this birth date, so the data is being changed. So this is why we are using this, to take the fill of data. So that is what the aim of this view are. So this is a formula bar. Let me uncheck this. So formula bar went out, right? So if I click over here, so it again comes. So I will not talk about this advanced editor because it deals with the M query, but yes, we will talk about this query dependencies. That means which column queries depends on the which column, right? So that all the relationship we can check out here. So let me just go out here. Let me left right. I'll click here. See the upsell that is connected with this loaded, that means this is a relation. We can see the 16, 17 and your products all are merged into the upsells. This data, this upsells we made from this all three files, right? So that all are merged under this upsells. So that is what the query dependency means. So under this, see, right? This is all about your view tab. You should know this. These are the basic things. Okay. So I don't need these, but if you are roaming around this data and you want to check something new, you're craving about the new features, so you can check it out.